Hey there, snack lovers! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the vibrant world of flavors and culinary delights. Today, we're diving into the delicious realm of Indian snacks, and I can't wait to share some exciting new recipes that will tantalize your taste buds and bring a little spice to your life. First up, let's talk about the classic and beloved samosa. But we're giving it a twist. Imagine a samosa filled with a zesty mix of paneer, spinach, and a hint of mint. The creamy paneer combined with the freshness of spinach creates a delightful filling that's both nutritious and satisfying. Serve these golden brown beauties with a tangy tamarind chutney, and you'll have a snack that's perfect for any occasion. Next, let's whip up some crispy masala chickpeas. These little powerhouses are not only packed with protein, but also bursting with flavor. Toss cooked chickpeas with a blend of spices like cumin, coriander, and a touch of chili powder, then roast them until they're crunchy. They make for a fantastic snack to munch on while watching your favorite show or as a topping for salads. Now, for something sweet, how about trying your hand at coconut laddus? These delightful treats are made with grated coconut, condensed milk, and a sprinkle of cardamom for that aromatic touch. They're quick to make and perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth without any guilt. Plus, they're a great way to impress your friends and family with your culinary skills. And let's not forget about the classic pakoras. We're going to elevate them by using a variety of vegetables like zucchini, cauliflower, and even sweet potatoes. Dip them in a chickpea flour batter seasoned with spices, then fry until crispy. Serve them hot with a side of mint chutney, and watch them disappear in no time. I hope you're as excited as I am to try these new recipes. Remember, cooking is all about experimenting and having fun, so don't hesitate to add your personal touch. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more delicious recipes and culinary adventures. Thank you for joining me today, and happy snacking!